She wasn't in there. Okay, go.
What am I supposed to do?
What was that white thing that flew?
Oh, it's a fuzzy.
Oh.
What?
I want to hear your knees crack.
You want to see them? Okay,
I want to hear. I said
Josh is
here.
number 3 on his profile.
Shut up. That is so gross.
Ew! That sounds weird. Please stop.
Are you working out, Kelsey?
It's only this one.
I can crack my ankle. Wait.
This gets tiring after.
I can crack my ankle. I can't seem to get to work. You look very attractive right now, Kelsey.
Whoa! Trying to get up, but it doesn't work. Don't record my butt.
See, he does do drugs.
He does drugs. Hello, this is Topher's profile. There's Topher on MySpace. He just has a weird one.
Is his profile loading or?
Yes, he has one of those big, fancy, graphic ones.
Big, fancy graphic
I
ones.
just want to see his pictures.
Oh, okay. Oh, there we go.
Oh, so here.
Maybe it'll say if he's. It says he's in a relationship.
No, he's not.
Kelsey,
And
say
it says he's
bye.
straight.
Bye.